Welcome to Mayo Daily, your go-to channel for daily travel inspiration. Today we're taking you to the stunning island of Santorini, Greece. Santorini is a small island located in the Aegean Sea, known for its breathtaking views and stunning sunsets. It's one of the most popular tourist destinations in Greece, attracting millions of visitors every year. One of the most iconic sights in Santorini are the blue dome churches that can be found throughout the island. These churches are often photographed with the island's stunning backdrop and are a must-visit for any first-time visitor. Santorini is also known for its wine production, with the island's unique soil and climate producing some of the most delicious wines in Greece. Visitors can take a tour of the vineyards and learn about the winemaking process while enjoying breathtaking views of the island. And of course, no trip to Santorini would be complete without experiencing the island's famous caldera and sunset views. Whether you're watching the sunset from a restaurant or taking a cruise around the island, the views are truly unforgettable. And if you're looking for a fun night out, Santorini has plenty to offer. From beach clubs to cocktail bars, the island's nightlife scene is vibrant and lively. And let's not forget about the food. Santorini is known for its delicious local cuisine, with fresh seafood and locally sourced ingredients being the highlight of many island dishes. So there you have it, a glimpse into the beauty and wonder of Santorini, Greece. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more daily travel inspiration. Thanks for watching Mayo Daily.